Hello and welcome back to the channel. In this video we're going to be looking at a beginner's very first driving lesson. We've got Ava, who turned 17 yesterday. We're going to be using her Mini, so no dual controls, and in this series we're going to take her from her first lesson all the way through to her test. So Ava's had a little go in her car with her mum yesterday on her birthday. She's got a theory test booked in 4 days. And I've just driven her to a suitable location. We've gone through the cockpit drill, did a quick recap on the controls, and I've done a short briefing on moving off using the POM routine and stopping using MSM. To start the practical part of the driving lesson and get Ava moving off and stopping for the very first time. And along the way we're going to look at gear changes, steering, and we even cover hill starts. These are just some of the highlights of the lesson. I hope you enjoy. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Do a POM. So let's go from the top. So left foot clutch down, select gear 1, right foot cover gas, left foot find the bite. What was wrong with that bite?
I just actually drove up too far. A
little bit too high, so that's what you got, a nice low bite there. Can you feel it?
Yeah.
So that's you prepared, and then where are you going to look? Where's the observations going to be? Yeah.
Right.
And where else?
And behind me.
Yeah, your blind spot.
Yeah.
And where should your left hand be as part of your prepare routine? That's it. So do you prepared, then you do your observations. So you do that. Tell me if it's safe. And if it's safe, is it safe?
Yeah.
Release the handbrake. A little bit of gas and slowly bring the clutch all the way up. Perfect. And you want to try that second gear? Do you want to try it?
Yeah.
So off the gas, clutch all the way to the floor. Palm it towards me, that's it, you got a second gear there, slowly clutch up. And now see how that feels? Just ease off the gas now, just in case something comes. Get your left hand to the top of the wheel. Car feels good. And if you saw a car come around there, just roll your clutch in, dab your brakes. Okay? Brilliant. And then what we'll do, once we get past these parked cars, we'll just practice stopping near the curb. So once the road goes past the bends, if you show us your little routines, your mirrors, what mirrors would you check? And do you need a signal?
Yeah.
And now what are your feet going to do? That's it, steer there, just so you don't touch that curb. Use your reference point. Let the car roll past this curb. Let it roll, so then you can steer a little bit closer, straighten the wheel, and then when you're ready to stop, just dab those brakes there. Perfect. Keep feet still, and then secure the car. And can you remember what you got to do to secure it? Which would go first in the ideal world?
Oh, no,
handbrake, then gear, and if you use the signal, turn it off. So that's you come to a stop. So you've moved off using POM. Gone to second gear and you've stopped using mirror signal maneuver. And how are you judging getting near the curb again? Got a little reference point? Brilliant. And now what we're practicing is like what they call a rolling first gear. So we'll just do that in a straight line, no one behind. So we're going to brake, but we're not going to stop. Brake a little bit, put your clutch down now, all the way to the floor. Now come off the brake, into first while you roll, steer that way, and now bring the clutch up slowly, so then you can keep moving. And that's what we tend to do if there's a problem in the road, like a parked car. We can just hold back, get into first without actually stopping. Stop if you have to, obviously. There you go. Where should your left hand be? Very good. That'll just help when you do want to go. It'll remind you. Excellent. And did you need a signal? Would anyone benefit?
No.
Good, yeah. So you just consider a signal at that point. And now how are you going to judge getting away from the curb so you're not so close? There you go. Do you want to try seconds? Or would you prefer to leave him first?
I'm scared around the corner. Or like...
Yeah, we'll leave it. So just ease off. Just think if someone comes, we'd be ready. Good position with the hands. Well done. And so at the end of that road, we're going to go left. So we're going to use the mirror signal manoeuvre. So what mirrors would you check? Good. Do you need a signal? So with your feet, just cover your brake, but you shouldn't need to use it because the gears, we're still in gear. And now cover the clutch. Put your left hand to the top of the wheel. Keep the car just rolling. Keep the clutch up. Keep the clutch up. They cut the corner. Steer and put the clutch down to the bite and just hold it on the bite. And just balance the car on your left foot. Just hold it nice and still there. Perfect. Looking both ways. Reset your hands so your left hand goes to the top so you can have a good steer around. And is it safe? Do you want to wait for that one?
Yeah.
So hold your bite. You're good, don't worry. I'll put the handbrake on if you shoot out. So now you can slowly release that clutch. And round you go. Good job. New road. Anything come up behind?
No.
And if it's safe, a little bit of gas. And we're going to take the next left. Get your hands set, have a look in. Just bring it there just so we don't want to clunk the curb and then steer around. Very good. And then if you bring us in, we'll pull up on the left in a safe place. So you can pick any one of them great grass verges and just work on that nice smooth stopping. Use your reference points, you don't touch the curb. Just come away, that's it. Clutch down. You'll open once the clutch goes down, then you can just dab the brakes when you want to stop. Get a more controlled stop then. That's good. And before you can relax, what you got to do?
Oh, my mum always taught me to put the hand.
Oh, your mum going that?
Yeah.
It doesn't really matter, to be fair. Driving instructors, we tend to go like handbrake neutral, just so the car's secure so it can't go anywhere. So if that was still in gear and you lift off the clutch, it doesn't ping off anywhere. That's why. And that is you landed. Do you want to brake?
Nearly finished anyway.
Yeah, should we head back? Alright, brilliant. So just to are you alright? Do you want your drink?
That's right, so hot in it.
Yes. A little bit. Yeah, it is a little bit hot. So when you're moving off, what's your little routine you're going to use? And when you stop? Yeah. MSM. That's it. Do you remember what it stands for?
Mirror signal manoeuvre.
Brilliant. And how are you going to get near the curb without hitting it?
Use your reference.
Use your reference point. And how are you going to get second instead of fourth without looking at it?
Bit of
Palming. Brilliant. Good. All right. So yeah, if you press your button, and then we'll get you back.